Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make you some roast potato. So this is my potato. This is one bag. As you can see, I already washed it so it's clean. These are the small potato, guys. You can always buy the big one. So these are all my seasoning. So here I have 1 teaspoonful of parsley seasoning and 1 teaspoonful of onion powder, 1 teaspoonful of mixed herb, 1 teaspoonful of rosemary, and 1 teaspoonful of parsley, 1 teaspoonful of onion powder, 1 teaspoonful of black pepper, 1 teaspoonful of paprika, and of all-purpose seasoning, just a pinch of salt, and some fresh thyme. And here I also have some vegetable oil. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get a tray and just put my potato in my tray. I just move my oil. And I'm just gonna mix all my seasoning together. This is so simple, guys, but yes, delicious. Just pour all my seasoning all over the potato. That looks so good already. Just take your hand, just massage it. And I'm gonna also put my vegetable oil, and I'm gonna put it in my oven for at least 35 minutes and 150 degrees. Smell amazing, guys. Smells so good. So now I'm gonna put it in my oven, so stay tuned. So this is what my potato look like after I remove it from the oven. So now I'm gonna put it back in the oven for 10 minutes just for it to catch some more color, because that's not the color that I need. And I'm gonna put it on 150 degrees, so stay tuned. So my potato is finally finished, guys, and this is what it look like. Guys, it smells amazing and it look absolutely delicious. This is exactly how I want it. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe, share for many other videos. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye.